Well,
also.
isn't that a legitimate origin? Isn't that a legitimate reason for beginning a probe like this?
It absolutely is, and they should have. But this is something different, Wolf, and this is, you're taking people who we now know that the charges against them and the suspicion against them is unwarranted. We know that now. Mr. Mueller was declarative on it. There was no evidence of this. And if that's true, if there's no evidence that would support opening this investigation, then I think it's a very important question, that is, why did you open it then? Based on what evidence? Look, we're not looking at a mafia family, we're not looking at drug
What are you doing?
cartels, we're looking at a
Recording
candidate
your
for the
cat?
president of the
Yep.
United States. And if you're gonna put some of those individuals under surveillance, as we know that they did, and if you're gonna put them under where their communications are being eavesdropped, as we know they were, then you better have a good reason for that. And I think that's what the Attorney General and these others are looking at, is was there proper caution? Was there proper political considerations given to that? Or was it done perhaps, as many of us have been concerned about for a long time now, perhaps for political purposes rather than for real national security concerns?
All right, Congressman Chris Stewart of Utah, thanks as usual for joining.
Thank you.
Up next, more breaking news. Russia's Vladimir Putin praises the special counsel's Russia report, saying Robert Mueller found no trace of collusion.